Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a calm, emotional, meaningful story about forgiving yourself. There was a boy named Arush. Arush once made a big mistake. He trusted the wrong person. He made a wrong decision. Because of that mistake, he lost something important. He felt guilty. He felt ashamed. He felt disappointed in himself. Every day, he remembered his mistake. He said to himself, "I should have been smarter. I ruined everything. I am not good enough." His heart felt heavy. One evening, Arush sat quietly in the park. His older brother came and sat beside him. He asked softly, "Why do you look so sad?" Arush replied slowly, "I made a mistake. I cannot forgive myself." His brother looked at him gently and said, "Did you learn something?" Arush thought for a moment. He said, "Yes, I learned to be careful. I learned to think before deciding." His brother smiled. He said, "Then the mistake has already taught you." He continued, "If you keep punishing yourself, you will stop growing. But if you forgive yourself, you will move forward. Everyone makes mistakes, but not everyone learns from them." Arush felt something change inside. He took a deep breath. He said softly, "I made a mistake, but I am still learning." From that day, he stopped repeating the old words. Instead of saying, "I am a failure," he said, "I am improving." Slowly, his heart felt lighter. His confidence returned, because forgiving yourself does not mean ignoring your mistake. It means accepting it, learning from it, and moving forward. Final message. My friends, this story is for you too. If you made mistakes, do not hate yourself. Learn, improve, forgive yourself. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep growing. And always remember, forgive yourself and move forward.